Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to transfer money from credit card to bank account or UPI. So this is a very easy and quick tutorial. Well, there are tons of platforms that you can use, Paytm, and this one. You can also use Google Pay or GPay. You can also use Payoneer and you can use PayPal. So all you have to do is to simply create an account, and then of course you have to follow some instruction there on how to transfer money from credit card to bank account. But for this tutorial, let's use the create application. So all you have to do is to open, log into your account, and then what you're going to do is you have to click this pay below, this pay icon right here. It will take you directly to this. And what you're going to do is you have to click this option right here. For example, you're going to pay for something. So you will see your option like a rent payment and so on. So all you have to do is to select that category. And then after that, it will take you directly to your payment section. And make sure that you have linked your credit card here, then tap this pay with credit card. So once you have tapped this one, it will take you directly to another section where you need to enter the bank details or full details of that person. So you start with the person's full name, enter the name right here, and then after that, you have to enter the full details such as the account number. You have to re-enter again the account number, and then after that, tap submit. And then here you have to confirm, you have to review the details that this account belongs to that specific person. Then all you have to do is to click confirm. Now you have to enter your address. And then once you have entered your details here, what you're going to do is tap proceed and follow the prompts in order for you to finish this step. So basically, that's how easy it is to transfer money from credit card to bank account or UPI using this application. However, there are also other platforms that you can use, and there are also other steps on how to simply transfer money from credit card to bank account. So I do really hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.